Hi there. Your name?
My name is Omar.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
My name's Jake.
Hello, Jake. I'm Omar.
Are you a student?
Yes, first-year student.
Is this your university?
Yes, I study here.
Are you new here?
Yes, just started today.
Is today your first day?
Yes, very first day.
Are you nervous today?
A little bit, yes.
Is the campus big?
Yes, very big campus.
Do you like it?
Yes, looks amazing here.
Where are you from?
I am from Nigeria.
Is Nigeria in Africa?
Yes, West Africa indeed.
Is Nigeria a big country?
Yes, very big country.
Is this your first time abroad?
Yes, very first time.
Do you miss home?
A little bit, yes.
Is it hard being away?
Sometimes yes, but okay.
Do you have family here?
No, just me here.
Do you live on campus?
Yes, student dormitory here.
Is the dormitory comfortable?
Yes, quite comfortable room.
Do you have a roommate?
Yes, one roommate here.
Is your roommate friendly?
Yes, very friendly person.
What does he study?
He studies engineering here.
What do you study?
I study computer science.
Is computer science difficult?
Yes, but very interesting.
Do you like technology?
Yes, I love it.
What do I study?
I study business management.
Is business interesting?
Yes, very interesting field.
Do you like business?
Yes, future plans involve business.
What year are you?
I am also first year.
So we are same year?
Yes, great coincidence.
Do you know anyone here?
No, not yet anyone.
Do you want friends?
Yes, very much so.
Are you friendly?
Yes, I am friendly.
Shall we be friends?
Yes, let us be.
Do you speak English well?
Getting better every day.
Is English your first language?
No, second language mine.
What is your first language?
Yoruba and also Hausa.
Are those Nigerian languages?
Yes, both Nigerian languages.
Do many people speak them?
Yes, millions of people.
Is learning English hard?
A little, but worth it.
How long learning English?
About 3 years now.
Your English is very good.
Thank you so much.
Do you study English daily?
Yes, every single day.
What do you use?
Videos and conversation practice.
Is conversation practice good?
Yes, best way always.
Do you like talking?
Yes, I love talking.
Are you an extrovert?
Yes, very much so.
Am I an extrovert too?
Yes, I think so.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I love football.
Do you play football?
Yes, every single weekend.
Is football popular in Nigeria?
Yes, extremely popular there.
Do you support a team?
Yes, I love Arsenal.
Arsenal is a good team.
Yes, I love Arsenal.
Do you watch Premier League?
Yes, every single match.
Is Premier League exciting?
Yes, most exciting league.
Do you have a favorite player?
Yes, Bukayo Saka always.
Is Saka from Nigeria?
No, he is English.
But his parents are Nigerian?
Yes, Nigerian heritage, indeed.
That is very interesting.
Yes, makes me proud.
Do you cook Nigerian food?
Sometimes miss home food.
What is your favorite food?
Jollof rice is best.
Is jollof rice spicy?
Yes, very tasty spicy.
Do you cook it here?
Yes, in dormitory kitchen.
Is the kitchen shared?
Yes, all students share.
Do you cook often?
Yes, saves money too.
Is eating out expensive here?
Yes, quite expensive here.
Do you have a budget?
Yes, careful with money.
Is student life expensive?
Yes, need to save.
Do you have a part-time job?
Not yet, still looking.
Should I look for one?
Yes, good idea that.
Where do students usually work?
Cafe or library usually.
Is library work quiet?
Yes, very peaceful work.
Do you like quiet places?
Yes, helps me focus.
Do you study in library?
Yes, every single day.
Is the library big here?
Yes, very big library.
Shall we study together?
Yes, great idea that.
When are you free?
Tomorrow afternoon I'm free.
What time tomorrow?
2 o'clock works perfectly.
Where shall we meet?
Library entrance, main door.